Hi, today I want to share with you my routine to release the pain on the neck and the shoulders. I usually feel a lot of stiffness, a lot of tightness at the end of the week. I usually see a lot of clients and patients throughout the week, and my neck and my shoulder get stiff and tight. So I do these techniques to get rid of the pain. Before we start the exercises and the techniques, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to push the notification bell. First, I use a gun to release the tension into the muscles. But before I go straight into the neck muscles, I have to release the latissimus dorsi and the chest as well. Why? Because it's very important to release the lats first and the chest, otherwise the shoulder blade won't be able to sit backwards. So if the muscles are tight here, the shoulder blade will be elevated. If the muscles are tight on the chest, it will pull the shoulder forward. So you will have rounded shoulders, and then the neck will be very stiff and tight. So the trapezius will be very stiff and tight because usually the shoulder elevates up like this. So you can massage the traps, the upper fibers of trapezius 2-3 hours in a row. We won't make a difference because first you need to release the chest and the lats. So I usually start with the lats. So I use the gun and I work for a couple of minutes around the side on the lats to release the tension, and then I will move on to the chest. I do the same thing for the other side, so again I release the lats and the chest. After I have released the tension into the lats and to the chest, I now start to release the tension around the neck on the upper fibers of trapezius. To make it a bit harder and a bit more powerful, I can do soft tissue release with movement, with stretching. I have released the tension into the muscles around the neck and around the shoulder blade, and then I have to move on to stretches. So I do upper fibers of trapezius and levator of scapula stretches. So I will start with the upper fibers of trapezius, hand behind your back, shoulder down, and then I tilt my head to the side, so side flexion, with the hand, the opposite hand, I pull a little bit until I feel a nice pull coming from the head, going down to the shoulder. Stay there 10-15 seconds, keep breathing, and then relax. Relax a couple of seconds between the repetitions, and then you do it again, tilt it to the side, with the opposite hand, pull a bit, stay there 10-15 seconds, and then relax. The next one is the levator of scapula. So from the same position, I do half rotation, so you go half rotation to the opposite side, you look down with the opposite hand, this time you push it down, and you will feel a pull coming from the head going down to the shoulder blade. Stay there again 10-15 seconds, keep breathing, and then relax, and you do it again, half rotation, down with the hand, push it down, feel the pull, stay there 10-15 seconds, and then relax. And I do the same thing for the other side, so I first stretch the upper fibers of trapezius, and then I do the levator of scapula. After I've done these stretches, I have to do a chin tuck, so I have to release a bit of tension at the base of the head. So, from sitting, keep the back straight, shoulder blades together, I put 2 fingers on my chin, and from here, I will push my head backwards. So I keep looking straight, so keep your head horizontal, don't look up and don't look down, and I just push my head backwards, like this. And I do it a couple of times. I don't hold it, I just move it. Perfect. So I've done it a couple of times. So I've done the stretches, I've done this chin tuck, and now I have to move on to a bit of strengthening. So I do some isometric contractions, so isometric strengthening for the neck. From sitting, keep the back straight, you look straight, you put one hand on your head, and from here I will try to do side flexion. So I will tilt the head to the side using only 10% of my power, but with the hand I will resist the movement. So I push against my hand, I stay there 5 seconds, and then relax. And I do the same thing on the other side. Head straight, tilt to the side, resist the movement, 10% of the maximum power, and relax. And I do it at least 5 times each side. And relax. Push to the other side, 10% only, and relax. In this way I will activate a bit the muscles around my neck. So this is my routine to get rid of the pain on the neck and on the shoulder blades. So I do it once a week. You can have a try, see how it goes for you. If you do have any questions or any suggestions, just leave me a comment. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.